Good day everyone, DM's Homes Properties by Ralph San Jose. So in this episode, we're going to have a project discussion or a project presentation about one of our projects inside Acacia Estates in Taguig City, the Mulberry Place Phase 2. So I'm going to discuss the developments and the promo terms as well. So let's begin. So what are the advantages of this project? Siyempre, it's an Acacia Estates development. So this is one of the DMCI Homes proud development in Taguig City. It's a 121 hectare development in Taguig. It caters gated communities and commercial areas. So ang dami na po nating projects dito na sold out. So even before pa, way back, late 2000. So nagsimula yung project dito, I think nasa around 2005, 2006. From mid-rise condominiums to house and lots. And ngayon, we're transitioning to mixed developments, mid-rise and high-rise condominiums. So every time naglalabas kami ng project dito sa Acacia Estates, madali talaga siyang ibenta kasi hinahanap talaga siya ng mga tao. So, ano pa ba ang mga advantages natin dito? So, ideal location since it's located in Taguig City. So, it's near to the famous Bonifacio Global City. It's a themed community. More added value, design, facilities, and services. Later on, I will discuss those added value na nilagay natin for Mulberry Place. And of course, DMCI Homes known for its best value for money. So our project name is Mulberry, an edible fruit-bearing tree usually cultivated in red, white, and black species. So just a brief explanation about the logo. So it's a traditional Asian home, positive values of harmony, hard work, and respect. So we have dark shade and red color, passion, pride, and strength that future residents may find in this community. Fonts with straight lines communicates the commitment of the developer to deliver quality homes. So this is the location of our project. So this is C5 area. Okay. So as you can see, C5 is one of the major roads here in Metro Manila that has an access going to Pasig, Quezon City, and places nearby like Bonifacio Global City and Makati. And it also, malapit din po siya sa NAIA Terminal 3 sa International Airport natin. So this is the Mulberry Place, yung naka-highlight na color red. So as you can see, we have neighboring developments like Ivorywood, the Birchwood, Mahogany Place 1 and 2 and 3, Cedar Crest, Alder Residences, and Bearwood Residences. And yung katabi natin is the Acacia Estates Town Center. So ito yung mga existing developments inside Acacia Estates. So these are the key places of interest. So for business and commercial hubs, we have McKinley Hill, Bonifacio Global City, Arca South is Ayala Development, Makati Central Business District, Ortigas Center. And sa mga groceries and malls naman natin, SM Save More, of course, it's a walking distance. It's besides Mulberry Place. We have the Grace Mall, Vista Mall, Market, SM Aura, Bonifacio High Street, and Uptown BGC. So these are all less than 5 kilometers away. For our medical institutions naman, sa mga hospitals, we have the Medical Center Taguig, St. Luke PGC, and Makati Medical Center. So for our schools, so we have a lot of international school like the British School Manila, Treston International College, Mint College, Integrated Montessori, International School Manila, Colegio de San Agustin, Samson College. For our airport terminals, so we have the NAIA 3 is the closest airport in Mulberry Place, which is 10.5 kilometers away. We have the NAIA 2, NAIA 1, and sa mga ibang areas natin like the new Taguig City Hall, Parish St. Anne, and St. Ignatius of Loyola Parish. So, discuss ko lang din yung city highlights natin for Taguig. So, based dito sa records sa demographics natin, in 2020, the population in Taguig is 886,000. And we are number 2 in fastest growing city in Metro Manila, next to Valenzuela. Fourth most populous city in Metro Manila projected by 2025. And sa economic overview naman natin, so our key industries here is the education. Kasi marami tayong international school. We have the Korean and Chinese international school and other international school in the area. We have retail and office establishments, IT and BPO. We have industrial and manufacturing establishments. And according dito, one of the top earning LGU in Metro Manila, fourth rank with a total locally sourced revenue amounting to 10 billion pesos. So these are the top 3 naman na LGU. Number 1 is the Quezon City, number 2 is Makati, and third is Manila. And tax rate in Taguig is lower than other MMA cities, making it more competitive. So as you can see here, Mulberry Place is nearby within the BGC offices like the McKinley Cyber Park, the Uptown IT Park. So marami tayong offices and commercial areas dito sa BGC area na malapit kay Mulberry Place. So projected travel time is 9 minutes away without the traffic. Pero lagi ako nandun sa area. Minsan kapag may traffic, more or less mga 20 to 30 minutes going there. But without the traffic, since it's 3.3 kilometers away, so you can be there at least less than 10 minutes. Okay. And Taguig houses various businesses, districts, and townships. So we have, of course, the Bonifacio Global City, the McKinley Hill, and the Arca South. So lahat to, it's a mixed-use development. Mixed use is with residential, commercial, and offices. For our infrastructure, so we have the ongoing Metro Manila Subway. So the Metro Manila Subway will stretch for about 33 kilometers across 7 cities from Valenzuela City to Pasay City and will have 17 stations. So expected to accommodate more than 500,000 passengers daily and will reduce travel times from QC to NAIA, running at an operational speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Started tunneling works last January 9, 2023, and partial operations are expected in 2028. So our nearest station in Mulberry Place is the FTI, which is 5.8 kilometers away. And meron din tayong C6 toll road. So this toll road project that will connect the South Luzon Expressway, Skyway via FTI towards Batasan Complex in Quezon City. Provide an alternate route from Parañaque to Quezon City, passing through the developing areas of Taguig, Taytay, Antipolo, and San Mateo to decongest EDSA, C5, and other major arteries of Metro Manila and Rizal. We also have the Pasig River Expressway. Aims to build a direct link between the western and eastern cities of Metro Manila by means of an elevated expressway. Parex will have entry points in U-Belt, San Juan, Buendia, Mandaluyong, Makati, Rockwell, EDSA, BGC, and C5. Accessible to Mulberry Place through SEMI. So, normally, ano yung mga profile ng mga tao na nakatira dito sa Mulberry Place? Normally, they are the end users or the upgraders. Sila yung mga young families, growing families, empty nester, and young adults. And secondary is the investors. first-time and experienced investors, professionals, executives, and established individuals. An Acacia Estates development, so it's a township of team communities, peaceful and beautiful neighborhood. May video ako na ginawa, I have several videos about featuring about communities in Acacia Estates like Alder Residences, Maple Place, and Mulberry Place. So you can check those videos. I'm gonna put the link also in the description para you'll get an idea yung ano ba ang itsura sa loob ng Acacia. So our team community here is Asian Tropical. So it's on a Vietnamese style. You can watch my Mulberry Place tour, yung phase 1, na-feature ko yun sa aking YouTube channel para you'll get an idea what the Vietnamese Asian Tropical looks like. But hindi na updated dun yung building features natin for Mulberry Place. Kasi yung phase 2, it's upgraded design. Okay? Ano ba yung mga in-upgrade natin doon na design? Number 1 is the balcony railings plus glass. So glass balcony na tayo. So we have bigger windows and balcony doors for better light and ventilation. We have sky promenade and sky lounge. And ano ba yung mga added value services and facilities natin doon? We have the co-working space, the ride share, 100% backup power na rin tayo. We have the mobile app, community internet, and the garbage chute doon sa ating high-rise building sa Mulberry Place Phase 2. Best value, so more features and benefits versus the price. So ito na yung project and focus natin, Mulberry Place 2. So this is the phase 1. We have 4 buildings sa phase 1. The Marceline, Dewey, Cochin, and Benjamin. Lahat to na turnover noong 2020 and 2021. 90% is already sold out and 76% na yung nag-move in. But I think nadagdagan to up to date kasi this one is projected last year pa, yung numbers na to. So, it's already sold out yung phase 1 natin. So, moving forward, we're going to discuss the phase 2. So, for our phase 2, we have 4 buildings. We have the Zephyr, Tafeta, Shantung, and Paisley. So, meron tayong 6 stories and we have 18 stories building din. So we have 2 6 stories and we have 2 18-story building. And we have 2 basement parking levels in every building. So as you can see, this is the site development plan. So the phase 1 and the phase 2 is shared sa amenities. So discuss muna natin yung amenities ng phase 1. Or yung building development niya, site development. So first is the entrance and exit, number 1. Number 2 is the drop-off area. Number 3, we have the lounge pool. Number 4, we have the lap pool. Number 5 is the clubhouse. The clubhouse consists of lounge area, fitness gym, entertainment room, game area, and function hall. And for our phase 2, number 1, we have our basketball court. It's a full-size basketball court. We have the kiddie pool. Number 3 is the picnic area. Number 4 is the viewing deck. Number 5 is the jogging path. So, paikot siya yung jogging path natin surrounding the amenities. Number 6 is the play and fitness area. We have outdoor fitness area sa phase 2. Number 7 is the roof deck, which consists of sky promenade, co-working space, and sky lounge. And lastly, number 8 is the town center gate. Ito yung access going to Acacia Town Center. So meron tayong sariling gate going to Acacia Town Center, which has everything that you need. Merong grocery doon, the SM Save More. Merong pharmaceutical doon, which is the Watsons. Merong car wash, merong restaurants, merong coffee shop, Coffee Bean. Merong vet clinic doon, merong tent doon for big events, and they held every Sunday, they held their mass there, Sunday mass. Yun, so very accessible siya, walking distance lang. And these are the amenities. So these are the perspectives of our amenities. This is the kiddie pool na merong slide area. So another look for our kiddie pool with slide. Meron tayong play and fitness area. We have the basketball area. We have the viewing deck na merong ding picnic area sa tapat niya, na merong tables, chairs, and grilling barbecue area. And ito naman yung roof deck amenities natin. We have the Sky Promenade, Sky Lounge, and Sky Bridge connection going to another building. For our Sky Lounge, ito naman yung look ng ating Sky Lounge. We have the Makati and the BGC view. We have the co-working space. So another angle for our Sky Promenade. And ito naman yung mga views natin from the property. So we have the Makati and BGC skyline for our north view. We have the Manila Bay for our east view. We have the Antipolo view, which is our south view. And ito naman yung ano natin, yung itsura ng ating floor plan. So for our Paisley building, sa mga mid-rise building, we have 20 units per floor. Pero dun sa high-rise building natin, which is the atrium level, we have 16 units per floor. And sa typical floor natin, we have 18 units per floor. By the way, just to add on our discussion, the Acacia Town Center will be having a renovation in the next coming years. So this is the perspective. So as you can see, there will be a lot of greeneries, trees, open spaces, open parks, activities like movie nights. We have outdoor chapel. Yeah, very exciting. So for our unit layouts, let's discuss the unit layouts, the 2-bedroom types and the 3-bedroom types, and also the pricing. So I'll just gonna give you the price range and the monthly amortization price range, just to give you an idea for the pricing. So for our 2-bedroom inner unit, so this is the smallest 2-bedroom unit, a total of 57 square meters. So the price for this one is 8,346,000. Monthly payment is around 19,000 to 20,000 per month. Then next is the 3-bedroom end unit, the 3-bedroom type C end unit. The price for this one is 12,825,000. The monthly payment for this one is around 30,000 pesos per month. And next is the bigger 3-bedroom D inner unit. The size for this one is 115 square meters. The price for this one is around 17 million to 17.5 million pesos. The monthly payment is around 40,000 pesos to 41,000 pesos. Next, we have the 4-bedroom A end unit. This is a total of 148 square meters. The price for this one is 23 million pesos. And going back, for our 2-bedroom, this one naman is 2-bedroom inner unit. Bigger size of 2-bedroom at 64.5 square meters. The price for this one is around 10 million pesos. Monthly payment goes around at 22,000 to 23,000 per month. Next one is the 2-bedroom A inner unit, a total of 67 square meters. The price for this one is 10,085,000 pesos. Monthly payment is around 23,500 pesos per month. And next, this one is the 2-bedroom E inner unit, sized at 69 square meters. The price for this one is 10,636,000. And the monthly payment goes around at 24,000 to 25,000 per month. Next is the 3-bedroom inner unit, a total of 101.5 square meters. Price for this one is 15,492,000 pesos. The monthly payment is around 36,000 to 37,000 per month. And we also have the 3-bedroom end unit na type C, 118 square meters. The price for this one is around 17 million to 18 million pesos. 4 bedrooms, type C, end unit. This is the biggest cut in Mulberry Place. The 4-bedroom end unit, type C. This one is 152 square meters. The price for this one is 25 million pesos. And we also have the new layouts also na merong day bed section, and we have the half balcony to maximize the livable space. So as you can see here sa new unit layouts, the difference, they have the same size, 67 square meters. The difference lang is full balcony tong isa, then yung isa naman is half balcony siya. So, yung isa, instead of balcony, nilagay nila yung daybed to maximize the livable space. So, we have other unit layouts as well sa Tafeta building. So, we have different unit layouts. So, this one is a 2-bedroom G inner unit, a total of 67 square meters. This one is the daybed section, and we have the balcony also in the bedroom 1. Yan. So, mas malaki yung bedrooms ng bedroom number 2 compared dun sa unit na may full balcony. We also have the 2-bedroom I inner unit, 67 square meter as well. So the balcony comes from the bedroom, then the daybed nagagaling sa living and dining area. So it's more functional, livable space. We also have the 2-bedroom J inner unit, total of 73 square meters. We have the 3-bedroom B end unit. So same, this is a typical standard cut of DMCI Homes 3-bedroom end unit. And 2-bedroom M inner unit, 57 square meters as well. We also have the 3-bedroom E end unit, which is the 88 square meters. And just to show you sa screen ang turnover finishes natin for our mid-rise building and for our high-rise building. So we have different types of 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and 4-bedroom units. Just feel free to comment or message me which unit you love the most or you are interested in, so we can discuss and I can send you the details. So that's it for today, guys. Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung Mulberry Place discussion natin. So Phase 2, Mulberry Place, one of the latest development of DMCI Homes inside Acacia Estates. Promising po itong project na to, mainly because of the unit features, building features, and the innovation applied for this latest development. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me to my Facebook page, my Instagram page, my email address, my mobile number. And of course, don't forget to subscribe sa aking channel to get the latest updates from DMCI Homes. So once again, this is Ralph San Jose of DMCI Homes Properties. Thank you and keep safe.